Greetings. Hello, my fellow viewers, subscribers, and audience. Once again, this is your host Noor Ali with Right Tools for Right Job. I'm grateful to the universe, I'm grateful to the cosmos, to God, Divine Spirit, and to the elements, and to the Mother Earth. So we begin. This will be the last subject matter in this series, right? I have covered some important material within the IT, information technology, and within system information. And I have already mentioned all the job roles and positions in the three videos and content before this one. This will be the last one. I will be covering a concept called wiring diagram in this one. It's very important to understand. Like I said, it is a concept. Here we have a wiring diagram. Let me bring it closer, right? So you need to understand the flow, the connection, the connectors, and how within the board, how communication is taking place, how equipment is working with the boards, with the motors. Okay. In my heydays, when I was young, we used to attend school, hands-on school. You can call it printer school. You can call it HP school. You can call it any brand, OEM brand that you get certified into back then, right? I am a certified technician, engineer, so trust me, I know what I'm talking about. I'm going to cover all concept over here, as you see, right? So, and this is legit. Don't worry about how old the printer is. That is not the case here, okay? You need to understand the concept. You need to understand how it's used, how it's applied, and what it does do in a normal operating system, okay? And that is the aim, and that is the goal of me sharing this with you, so you can grow, you can learn, right? You can implement it in your daily life, right? In your daily life, okay? And here we see motors, here we see switches, everything works together, right? Basically. And you will find these kind of wiring diagram in all OEM printers, multifunction copiers, printers, plotters, whatever is out there on the floor today. If you go to a copy place, you will see more than one machine out there, right? And guess what? Somebody's going out there to fix it, right? Somebody's going out there to fix those equipment. Somebody's getting a call, say, come out, fix my equipment. I have a printing issue. I have a power issue. I have a network issue. I have a communication issue, right? Things don't look right, come and fix it. And that's what we do. If you're hardware first, then software guy, you know what I'm talking about. If you're 100% software, then you'll be doing remote fix. But if the hardware doesn't work, you're going to dispatch a call to the hardware guy. Okay? Been there and done that. Okay? I've been there and I've done that. That's why I'm sharing with you today. So keep in mind, after the wiring diagram, we're going to move on to our next topic. Okay? Share, learn, teach, and grow. 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 If you like, you subscribe. If you like, you subscribe. If you like, you subscribe. Please, 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 please. Thank you very much, as always. This one was a fast, and this one was a quick one. I want to end this series here till I start work on my next series of videos. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy it. I hope the content, the subject matter in this video fits your career, your craft, your trade, your job, your job role, right? Attached to your skill set, soft skill set, hard skill set. Keep that in mind. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Till next time. Bye.